Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can scan your local channel on your iSmart TV. Okay, as you can see on the table, now I have this small indoor TV antenna, and today video I'm going to connect it with my iTV, and we will scan for the local channel together. Just remind you that this small antenna just receive only the few channel. The signal is not very strong because it's not like the outdoor TV antenna that can receive more TV channel. Okay, first of all, we need to connect the antenna cable to the TV. And you can see the antenna cable will look like this, and we're going to find the connection at the back of the TV. Okay, you can see here is the antenna connection. Just input the connection to that port, and then we going back to the TV. Okay, after you already connect the antenna to the TV, and now just go to setting here. After that, go to TV, and here you can see the channel scan. Select on it, select the antenna. We can choose digital scan, analog scan, or we can select both digital and analog. So if you're not sure your antenna is digital or analog, just select both of them, digital and analog. And now your TV is trying to scan. All you need to do is just sit down and wait. Okay, now we got only 2 channels. You can select close it, or we can just go to change setting. Okay, when change setting, is come back to the scan. Now I go to home, and if you want to go to live TV, just select input here, select TV. Okay, now you see the channel, TV channel. We receive 2 channels. We have channel 1 and channel 2. Okay, now I press number 2, and then it's go to program number 2. Press number 1, and it's go to program number 1. Okay, when you already receive the channel, for example, now you have a clearer picture and more channel than me, because I use the small antenna. Okay, to set up your channel, you just need to press the set button here on your remote control, and then you will see your channel list, favorite, channel edit, and something. And now just go to channel list, and you will see all the channel pop up on the left hand screen of your TV. Now I have only 2 channels. If you have more than that, it will display all. And now we want to rename one channel. Press set again. You can go to channel edit, rename channel. For example, I want to rename this one to okay, eyes. Okay, and then just take it, and now you can see the channel number 2 is display MI test, and we press number 2. Okay, you can see here MI test. Back to number 1 again, number 2, MI test. And if you want to edit your channel number, just press set button again and go to channel edit, go to move channel. For example, I already moved the channel MI test to the number 1, and now we want to move this number 2 up, and then select, and now it changed the number, so the one that on the top will be represent the number 1, and in order number for the lower one. Okay, you can see I test become number 2. Okay, one small thing, you can add your channel to favorite. Just select set again and select channel list. You can now just for example, I want to add the channel 2 to my favorite. Just select, press the right button, and you can see here the heart logo become red. And now if you want to see your favorite channel, just select this one, and it will show only the favorite channel. Okay, and another thing, I can just browse through it. We have channel edit. We can rename channel, move channel, move favorite channel in order of the number, scan new channel, or we have delete channel here, delete or remove channel, audio track, subtitle track. Okay, I browse through it. Subtitle track, don't have. Picture, you can adjust the picture mode due to all that file setting, or you can adjust the backlight, color, temperature, aspect ratio, advanced video, or reset it to default. And the sound, we have the system sound, just turn it on or turn it off. Sound mode, standard mode, movies, news, game, or custom. Digital output delay, this one I'm not sure about it, but you can adjust it up to 250. I now turn it back to 0 to the default. And finally we have more options: channel scan, CI card, and system setting. Okay, system setting is the setting that we use on the home screen. Okay, now I back to the home screen. Just all channel is color, but my antenna cannot provide the full image, so don't confuse that this is the black and white TV. It's all full color TV. Okay, now that is the end of this video. I hope you got some point for today, and let me thank for your time watching this video. I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.